right, we got a 2017 Ford Focus. All right, here are a list of the tools I used. Cordless ratchet with a T30 star bit and a plastic clip removal tool. So I'm gonna take a T30 bit and remove that star bit bolt here. Okay, there would be a bolt here, but it's not, or a clip that snapped in somewhere along there. There's no clip, so that's kind of free to pull away. Take my T30 star bit. Move that bolt there. Come to the top here. Okay, we're gonna come here, take our clip removal tool, kind of just pry. That's gonna give us access to this clip here. We're gonna pry that open and remove it. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you finish pulling that all the way out. I'm gonna pull that all the way out. That way you can safely remove that bumper cover. Okay, there are also going to be clips down here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and remove that clip there. And any remaining clips along that bottom. More there. And there. Remove those now. So I'm going to take my clip removal tool. I'm going to remove this plastic retainer clip here and that plastic retainer clip there. I'm also going to remove this hood latch release so that once I go to take this upper cover off, it isn't stuck. So I'm going to take a clip removal tool and gently pry. Lay it over there. There's also going to be a T30 bit here holding the top of that front bumper cover on. Let's go ahead and remove it. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to grab this edge here, just kind of firmly tug until it breaks free. Now I'm going to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, this bumper should now be ready to come off, so we're going to go ahead and make sure we pull that away on both sides. Good up. Okay, these things can sometimes be still clipped on, so I'm going to take my pry tool, gently lift up. Okay, I'm going to do the same on the other side. Lift up. Okay, there's something holding it. Okay, there is a plastic tab here. Press up to remove that lip so that I can free that bumper. All right, now I can completely remove that bumper cover. So be sure that when you're going back on with that bumper cover, that this piece here is snapped back in. So let's go ahead and get that snapped back in and where it needs to be. Which is gonna make putting that bumper cover on back on a lot easier. So be sure to inspect those pieces to make sure that they're intact and can go back on the vehicle properly. Now I'm going to be using a T30 star bit to remove a bolt here and a bolt there. All right, that's one. Okay, that's two. Let's see if we can get this headlight to come out now. So you want to kind of gently pull on it. Now it's going to be locked in here, so I want you to try and slide it out while also lifting up on it. All right, and that's going to give us access to the wiring on the back. So we're going to go ahead and press this tab in here to try and get the light to come out. Okay, I'm going to take my clip remover tool here and just pry till I can get that light to come out. So you press down on here and that should give you some room to disconnect that connector. All right. All right, we're gonna go back on with this headlight here. So let's grab that connector. Make sure to plug it into this headlight. Kind of tug it back out to see if it come back out. It doesn't. Go ahead and make sure we slide this piece here into there. We also want to make sure that it's in place here as well, where you can see down through both holes. Also check to make sure it's aligned here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our first star bit screw in right there. Just gonna hand tighten it now. We're gonna put our other star bit screws in. Tighten that down. All right, let's go ahead and put our front bumper cover back on. All right, now be sure to slide this front bumper cover bottom end under that lower cover. Sides. Here, make sure it's flush around the headlight area. All right, I'm going to use a plastic retainer clip at the top to just go ahead and snap into place to hold the bumper on while I go ahead and get the sides put in. All right. Make sure I lift up on this bumper here. Make sure everything snaps in there. Come to the side here. Also lift up to the side here. Lift up on that bumper cover and go ahead and snap it into place. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Also be sure to take this plastic clip here, slide it through both of these holes here. So I'm gonna peel back this cover here. I'm gonna slide my plastic clip through both those holes. Once it's through, I'm gonna press in on that clip to lock it in place. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we're gonna finish putting that fender liner in. You may have to pull back on that fender to get that in there. And we're gonna push that in to line up those two holes. Put our T30 star bit back in and hand tighten it and get ready to tighten it up. All right, and we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. Take another T30 star bit and place it here. The other side. Take this T30 bit here. Tighten that down. Put our hood release latch back in here. Go ahead and place my other plastic clip retainer here. Snap it in. Now I'm going to go to the bottom and finish putting the clips that were along the bottom of that front bumper cover in. Okay, we're at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and put that first clip in here. So at the bottom here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and push this back in. So now I can put the plastic retainer back in. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add some more plastic clips along the bottom of this front bumper cover. And that's how you replace the headlight on a 2017 Ford Focus hatchback.